Hello, welcome to Easy Life Hacks. Today's project is a do-it-yourself tip for using plastic restoration products, a precise way to apply that's faster, better, and less mess. Black plastic trim on vehicles discolors over time. It can turn gray and ruin your car's look and value. Several products exist that can protect and restore it, but they share the same problem: messy to apply. The answer may be simple: masking tape. It's not just useful for painting. If you want to make your plastic restoration easier with less post-application cleanup, read on. Step 1. Select the parts to restore. Step 2. Apply masking tape to protect the adjacent areas. Use typical 1 1/2 inch painter's tape. Smooth tape as you apply it. Lower windows when possible. Step 3. Apply restoration product. Step 4. Remove tape. Step 5. You're done. Admire your work. Tips and suggestions. This masking technique is also useful when using other car protection products for both the interior and exterior. Do not leave masking tape on for long periods of time or allow it to get wet. The tape's glue may start to detach, making it hard to remove. This video is not endorsing any particular plastic restoration product. Use whichever product you have found to be most effective for you in the past. That's it. You know the routine. If you like this content and would like to see more, click thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by.